All right, so we've got an LG oven. Customer actually bought a new stove and they could not get the oven opened. So they replaced the oven, but their pots and pans were locked on the inside. So if you have this situation, here's how to do it. Go to the back of the stove and remove all the screws from the back. Once the back panel is off, you're going to focus on the latch assembly. It'll have a long metal rod going to it. Normally one screw, sometimes two. Remove the screw and tilt it. And once it's out, push the rod forward. Now walk to the front of the stove and you can open and get your pots and pans. By the way, those rods sometimes will work, not always. If they're not spring activated, it will not work. So if you do try the rod, the metal rod, and it doesn't work, then you need to go to the back of the stove. Thanks for watching.